Welcome to the Knightscope Inc. Conversion Portal. The first image you are seeing is a sample email you will receive from Knightscope. You will need the account code on this email to access the web portal. The second email you will receive from Knightscope will include your control code. You will need this as your password to log into the web portal. I've pre-populated the account code and the control code for this session. Once you get to this screen, you will be prompted with the terms and conditions. This is a mandatory document and must be clicked before proceeding. Please review the terms and conditions, and once you have, simply hit the back button to return to the portal. Once you have completed reviewing the terms and conditions, please be sure to click to confirm that you have read them. You will then be prompted with 3 documents. These documents are available for you to review but are not mandatory. Please click and review each document to receive more information regarding your conversion. After you click each document, you will see a check mark. Once you review, hit the back button to return to the previous screen. You're also provided with FAQs for your convenience. Back button will bring you back to the screen of the web portal. After you have reviewed the documents above, please check to confirm you have read, understood, and agreed to the foregoing, including the conversion agreement. Then click Continue. On this screen, you will find registered details, which include your share details under the specified class, your name and address as we show it on file. For holders who show a Knightscope address, you will be prompted to update your address as we did not show an address on file. I will enter a dummy address for this demo. Once you have entered your address, proceed to enter how many shares you wish to convert. Holders have the option to complete a full conversion or do a partial conversion. For this example, I will select partial conversion. You will then be prompted to enter the amount of shares you wish to convert. For this example, I choose to partially convert 300 shares. You will then complete your contact detail information by adding your email address, your daytime phone number, and hitting continue. In this example, I will show you the full conversion option. Simply select full conversion, complete your contact details, including your email address and daytime telephone number, and simply hit continue. Holders who did not have an address on file will be prompted to complete the tax certification. If you are a U.S. person, you will need to click the link below to review your W-9 guidelines. If you have a foreign status, you will need to click the link labeled W-8 Ben Guidelines. For example number 1, I will select U.S. person. I will then click W-9 Guidelines for instructions. When I am done reviewing, I will hit the back button. I will then select the box to certify that the above information is correct. I will then proceed to provide my tax information. I will provide a test Social Security number for this demo. I will then proceed to provide federal tax classification and exempt payee code. For this example, I will select individual, sole proprietor. My exempt code will be 1. I will then click that I declare that to the best of my knowledge and belief, the above is true, correct, and complete. Then I will hit continue. In this example, I will select foreign status. I will then click W8 Ben Guidelines for further instructions. After you review, you may hit the back button to proceed to the website portal. As you see below, by selecting this tax status, you are required to print out, complete, and mail the below documents to Computershare. Please click the link below to see the form. After you review, click the back button and then hit continue. Before submitting your instruction, you have the ability to review all the details of your conversion. For your conversion, please review your conversion choice, total number of shares you hold, and total number of shares converted are correct. You will then confirm your contact details for accuracy. If you completed your tax certification, you will be able to confirm the correct option was selected below. Below the tax certification, please read the specified verbiage, which states that by clicking the Submit button, you acknowledge that you have reviewed and understand the conversion terms provided and that your authorization to convert your Knightscope Inc. preferred shares is irrevocable and legally binding. If you agree, then hit Submit. Once you have submitted your instruction, you will see the confirmation page. This page will include the confirmation number along with a snapshot of all the details pertaining to your conversion as seen below. If you completed the tax certification with a foreign status, you will be prompted with the W8 Ben form link as seen below, which should be completed and mailed to Computershare's mailing address, which is also located on this page. You may then print this confirmation page for your records by clicking Print below. You may then log off. This concludes the demo of the Knightscope Conversion Portal.